Hi everyone, did you have a good morning? Well, now it's time for your nap, right? So since we were doing trains, I found a book about Good Night Train, okay? So you can get ready for your nap. Go grab your teddy bear and get ready, okay? The Good Night Train. The Good Night Train gets set to roll. It's being shined and filled with coal. Wash the cars off with the hose. Scrub the engine's dirty nose. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub, toot, toot. All aboard! The sun is down. The Good Night Train is leaving town. Find your sleepers, grab your teddy. Climb right up, your bed and crib is ready. All tucked in, the porter cries, your pillows are fluffed, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. I see you closing your eyes. Good job. Wheels are turning, smoke drifts high, painting clouds up in the sky. Huffa-puffa, huffa-puffa, choo-choo. Look at all the clouds. Slumber lumber up the hill, cars climb slowly up until roll the corner, rock the curve, blankets bounce with every swerve. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. Shh. Fly through a tunnel, black as ink, in and out before you blink. Dreamland, 20 winks ahead. You're almost in dreamland, right? Because it's night time, it's nappy time. Catch that freight train whizzing past. The Good Night Train is moving fast. Choo, 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 choo. Cars sway on the wooden track. Wheels go click, wheels go clack. Glide across a plain so flat. Gently toss the wheels in that. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Curl through farms of fuzzy sheep. The sleepy train slows to a creep. Pushing towards the station light, cars crawl on what there might. Chugga, 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 just sweet dreams ahead. The porter sighs, the tired train can close its eyes. Home at last, tucked in and snug, the engine snores a final chug. Hush, 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 sleep. Good night, train. Good night, boys and girls. Good night, everyone. I hope you have a good rest. The train says night, night. So grab your pillow, grab your blanket, grab your teddy, and go night, night. Shh. 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 Okay, go sleepies. Shh. I'll see you later.